Oh yeah, we're shredding that belt. And something might maybe on fire. Get a fire extinguisher.
I don't. Hola! This weekend we are heading to good old lake, and we are going to party like nobody's partied ever before. Got 2 cakes in here, so I gotta drive carefully on 22. I'm hoping on the way back home I get to rip 22. We're gonna have a good old time. Got the 335i here. Nate has been diving for his wedding ring and not having any luck finding it, but he is finding a lot of seashells. Looks like you've been eating seafood. Damn, pleasure craft. That's what I like to hear. Oh, Winchester, Ohio. This has a Winchester, Ohio plate on it, so I wonder if it was built there. I do like this boat a lot, honestly. Something about a good old 351. Damn, it's got a Holly on it. Alright, I'm heading up to Vance to get a serpentine belt because the old one broke on the old 351 there.
Go get him.
Alright, we know what belt to get now. This thing runs tip top. Don't get much better than that, Bob. Old big block.
I don't know, it was idling for like...
I know. Every time you put that thing down, it starts itself out.
Is the blower on?
Yeah.
Those life jackets back up out of there. That's all it's doing.
Yeah, it's just choking itself out every time you put the cap down on it.
Blower. What else is up there? Pump auto. One to die out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're shredding that belt. And something might maybe on fire. Get a fire extinguisher.
I think I have one.
Get a fire extinguisher. It should be up under here. Hey! Get over here! Look up under that seat. There's a fire extinguisher on here somewhere. Maybe under her seat. Here, take her back here. It should be up under here. Hey! Get over here! Look up under that seat. There's a fire extinguisher on here somewhere. Maybe under her seat. Here, take her back here. Get Berkeley on that other boat. I'm not firing this thing till I see flames, but I hear them. Get something to get water. What is this? This is the water intake, right?
Yeah.
Trey?
Yeah.
All right, we dump water on it. Come here, get Berkeley. Yeah, get Berkeley.
Oh shit! My bad. Yeah. I'm good.
We might be on fire. I got the cover for you. Why would the water intake do that?
Got rubber. This rubber piece right here.
It's hot as But I mean, it's sucking in water. How could it get so hot to catch fire?
We have one, but I think we're good.
That one, look how much that one's smoking.
Yeah, I know. Hard to blow. They are hot as fuck. Let it cool down for a little bit.
Oh, hold on. Oh, dude. It's winterized. Oh.
Yeah, fucking plug it in.
It's winterized. I never do anything with the content.
Are you okay to do that?
Hey, just get her over there.
We're trying.
This is still winterized. That's the problem. It's not getting any coolant, so it's overheating.
I know.
Get her over there so we can work on this. Back up, cut it back that way. Back up, nose right into us. You're not gonna hurt this boat any more than it already is. All right, now come on up. Just drift into us. No, that's what it is. And it's melted this tube right here. Get those ready.
So that's where the water's coming.
Yep, look. I don't know that we're making it back there anyway because we've melted that pipe. I never thought twice about de-winterizing. Here, keep this off that top. Yep, that goes in there. I don't think we're gonna be able to do anything because this is split now. Dude, never fucking thought twice about it. Not sure yet. I mean, we won't be able to drive it back, right? We're gonna be squirting water out of here, right?
I don't know. I don't know if there's 2 layers or not. Can you see it?
I mean, if we start sucking on water right there, we're sinking.
Well, I smell rubber burning out. I thought for
I
sure.
think we got a belt problem too.
Yeah. I think this is way too tight. We put it on too tight.
There we go.
There's 3 inches.
Oh, how much? I mean, all right. Well, that's what we need to replace. Yeah, that thing is fucking. There was fire. Look at that.
That thing was burning.
That big melt?
Yeah. Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
The motor overheat?
Yeah.
Have you changed the impeller in that thing at all?
No.
That used to be my boat.
Yeah. What do we need to do?
We did something.
There's an impeller in there. I'll be right back.
Okay. Were you the original owner of this thing?
No.
I know Matt told me it's never left the cove since '88.
No. My buddy Zach that had that Moomba up there.
Okay.
On it. I
Yeah.
think it came from Cleveland, somewhere up that way. He had it forever, and I had it forever. Sold it to Matt for a couple of years, and
Yeah.
then he took off.
Well, most of this, or if not all, is my fault because I forgot to de-winterize it before we just took it out. So we shut it down when we noticed it getting hot. So hopefully the motor's all right, but we did melt that.
Yeah, I think we were light-headed. Yeah, that white one is the one I'm in the same boat, boys. All right, nice to meet you.
All right, yeah,
You
you
literally
too.
were
Appreciate
in
the
the
help.
No problem. Like I said, I'll drop them plugs and shit off.
Okay, cool. Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, I don't think we need to.
How'd this end up so far apart?
What do you mean?
Alright, so the boat is alright. We just forgot to fully de-winterize it, put plugs in to the exhaust manifolds, help build the vacuum back up for the water to circulate through the engine. Other than that, it's going to be okay. Ordering parts for it, should have it up and running. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.